Start slight left, 150. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Slight left, 150. Slowing. Slight right, don't cut. 40. Turn square left, 30. Right of the crest, 100. 4 right, past junction, tightens. To slight left, half long, don't cut. Brake, and 6 right, tightens. And 1 left, tightens. And 1 right short, 30. Square left, 40. Turn 3 left, 80. 5 left short, slowing. And slight right, 40. Turn, hairpin right, don't cut. 80, 6 left, rough, 40. 6 right, opens. Twisty, 270. Slowing, 5 left, 30. Turn, square right of the crest, don't cut. To slight left, 200. Go straight, through junction, 150. 3 left short, through junction, don't cut. 90, long crest, slowing, 50. 6 right, 30. 2 left, bumpy, 40. 5 left short, 30. 6 right, slowing, 40. Crest. And turn, 1 right, short, 450. Turn 2 left sharp, 80. 3 right, half long, 160. Caution, 5 left short, narrows, and square left, and 5 right, into 6 left, 100, slowing. 6 left, and turn 1 right, rock inside, and slight left, 30, 6 right. Into slight left, slowing, 120. Turn 3 right short, unseen, into 3 left, half long, tightens, 40. Turn 4 right short, don't cut, 550. Turn hairpin left, unseen. 220. Bump, slowing, 120. Crest, 30. Turn, 1 right, 30. Slight left, don't cut, 50. Turn square left, don't cut, 30. 6 left, 70. 6 right, over bump, 190. 6 left, and slight right, over bump, into slight left, and crest, 50. 6 right, over bump, 80. 6 left, narrows, and 6 right short, 70. Slight left, slight right, slight left, long, 60. Brake, 6 right, 50, 4 left short, to sudden, 2 right, unseen, and 1 left, and 2 right, tightens, 170. 6 right short, 110. Slight left, 80. 6 left, slowing, 100. Unseen, 2 right sharp, 30. 4 left short, 30. Slight right, 70. Unseen, 5 left short, keep in, and slight right. Brake, 60. Turn, square right, uphill. 60, 2 left short, into 6 right, 50. Crest, 40. late 6 right over crest, keep out 100. Slight right and 6 left short, don't cut, 50, slight right over bump, 110, 4 right short, bumpy, 190. Late 3 left, keep in, 120. Turn 1 right, rock inside, 600. Caution, 6 right to the crest, to 5 left short, over bump, 170. Double caution, turn 6 right. 6 left, and slight right, 70. Right of a small crest, slowing, 80. 6 right, through junction, and late 4 left, 30. 4 right short, 160, over finish to stop. Okay, that's a 5 minute, 52.3.